How to fix we can't set up mobile hotspot on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix we can't set up mobile hotspot on Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with the search for troubleshoot settings. Under troubleshoot settings, you may have other troubleshooters, and under other troubleshooters, you will have network and internet, right? You need to go with run and run the troubleshooter. After running the troubleshooter, you need to apply the fix and it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is you need to right click on your Windows, go with device manager. Under device manager, go with network adapters, and from the network adapters, you need to just go with a network adapter. Right click on it, go with properties, and you may have an option to update. So you just need simply go and update driver option. You need to go with update. Here under driver, you will have driver details, update driver, disable device, or uninstall device. So go with update and update your drivers. You can go with the first option, which is search automatically for drivers, which will automatically search the best drivers. Or you can also go with browse my computer for drivers and then select the driver and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the third method is to switch off your Bluetooth. After switching off your Bluetooth, it might fix your problem. So you just need to simply press Windows key and R keys together. And here you need to enter services.msc. Hit the enter. And here you need to go with the I section. Under that, you will have internet connection sharing. Now here you need to double click on it, or you can also go with the properties section. And if the service is disabled, select manual or automatic from the startup type drop down menu, and then click on start and then press the OK button. In my case, it has already been started. So go with start and then press the OK button, go back, restart your device, and it will fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.